Hi guys, welcome back to the Food Monologue Studios. Today we are going to make a spicy and tangy idli fry dish. We will be making mini idlis for this and later we will saute them in a spicy chutney, the Flaxseed Podi Chutney. The recipe for this chutney is given at the end, so do watch the video till the end. And if you are new here, do subscribe to the Food Monologue channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of all the new recipes. So let's start without further ado. Here are the ingredients to make basic fluffy idlis. A complete list is mentioned in the description below. Wash the rice and udad dal 2 to 3 times until the water runs clear and then soak it in drinking water. Now add the methi seeds to the udad dal. You have to soak the rice for 4 to 5 hours and the udad dal for 3 hours minimum. Half an hour before you grind, add the poha or the beaten rice to the soaked rice mixture. Now add a little pink salt and grind the rice and the udad dal into a fine paste and mix them together and allow to ferment overnight. Use a large vessel as the batter may rise and overflow. After fermenting overnight, let us check our batter. You can see that it has nicely risen with a lot of air bubbles. That means the fermentation is complete. Now grease the mini idli molds and place the batter into each cup of the mold. Now tap the idli molds so that all air bubbles escape and the batter gets shaped. Since these idlis are mini, they get cooked in 5 to 7 minutes of steaming. Once they are steamed, allow to cool and demold. Let us prepare the idli fry. Ingredients for the idli fry are displayed here. A complete list is mentioned in the description below. Heat a pan, melt 1 tablespoon of ghee on it. Add the onions and saute. Now add a little salt so that the onions will soften. Once the onions are cooked, add the curry leaves and saute. Now add the tomatoes and mix. Add the coconut. Again give it a nice mix. Now add the flaxseed podi chutney and give it a nice mix. Incorporate the mini idlis. Now mix it well so that the idlis get coated with the masala. Now add the tomato sauce and mix well. You can add chili sauce also if you want to increase the spice level. Now add a little chili powder and turmeric powder. Add the salt and the sugar also. Give it a nice mix and now serve and garnish with coriander. And there you have your spicy and delicious Flaxseed Podi Chutney Idli Fry. For quick reference, we have added the recipe of the chutney also, so stay tuned. Today we are going to check out a dry and spicy chutney, the Flaxseed Podi Chutney. This is a very versatile chutney. This chutney can be used with idlis or dosas. You can even make a yogurt dip with. Following are the ingredients for the chutney. The detailed list is mentioned in the description below. Heat up a pan and add the sesame seeds to it. Now dry roast it for some time. After some time, the seeds will be golden brown. They will slightly puff up and they will start popping. Like this. Now set aside and allow to cool. Now in the pan, add the flaxseed and dry roast them till they start popping. Like this. Now add the roasted chana dal. You don't need to roast it too much. Since it is already roasted, we just need to warm it for 1 or 2 minutes. Add all the cooled seeds to a mixer jar. Add the salt, rock salt, garlic and red chilies. Now grind into a coarse mixture. You can consume it as a dry chutney or you could make a dip by adding it to curd. To 1 cup of curd, you add 1 teaspoon of sugar, rock salt, half teaspoon of and 3 tablespoons of flaxseed podi chutney. Add a little bit of water, mix it and you have your dip. You can use it as an instant no-cook chutney. So there you have your versatile flaxseed podi chutney. If you like the recipe, give the video a like. Now enjoy the spicy and delicious Flaxseed Podi Chutney Idli Fry. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to the Food Monologues channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.